This is 2013 Chevy Avalanche. Ivan Lopez here at Banner Ford, 985-966-9443. That's me. I have 2 sets of key, 1 keyless entry with remote start, keyless entry again. Got the hood open. Take a look at the engine. Appearance on the outer side with your fog lights. Side appearance with the chrome. There's your wheels. 20-inch. Plenty thread life. Fixed running boards. Power steering on both sides. Passenger condition of the seats. And second row. Because this is a crew cab. We do have sunroof. Dual climate control. So I have CD player. There's navigation. Good temperature seatings on both sides. Control radio. You got rear vents. Defrost on the glass. Tow hitch, rear sensors, rear camera. There's your cover. Appearance on the driver's side. Track on top, all your surfboard. Conditional seating on this side with automatic headlights. Adjustable pedals, traction control, brake aid, parking aid. So on tone, people like that. There's your mileage. Reverse camera, and of course it has navigation. Let me know. Cruise control, heated seats, and control radio, and phone as well. Let me know. Got cooling seats and heating. The choice to do on your back or your both. Ivan Lopez here again, at Banner Ford, 985-966-9443. That's me here at Banner Ford. Talk to you soon.